Hi, my name is Johan, but I'm also known as Sho. I'm originally from Puerto Rico, but I reside in Pennsylvania. And I heard about this place all the way from out there. A friend recommended me actually. I looked them up and I like what I see. It has been my life goal to get my teeth fixed. As I had really bad smile. I had a lot of cavities and stuff because I didn't really take care of them growing up. So it was always my dream to get my teeth done. And I always thought I would have to wait until I'm like rich and famous in order to do so. But somehow I found this place and it was really affordable and they do amazing work. So I said, why not? I will take the trip. I actually came here by myself. I was supposed to come with my friend, but he couldn't make it. So I came all the way out here by myself and I fell in love with this place. I love the weather, I love the food, I love the beach, the scenery, everything is beautiful. And not to mention, when I come here in Myra, they treat you like you're at home. They make it their priority to make sure that you're comfortable and that you're having a great time. I was really nervous at first because I know how much it would have hurt, you know? I've heard like how bad root canals are and stuff. But I got 28 zirconium veneers done and 4 implants, and let me tell you, I didn't really feel much of it. Like, it was awesome. I have no complaints and I am nothing but happy now. And my confidence is up, and that's what really matters at the end of the day. That's what I came here for. And I'm leaving super happy, and I'm just recommending everybody to come over here. It's an awesome place. You get a little vacation while you get your confidence up, which means you get your smile done. And there's nothing better than it, you know? I loved everything about it, and if I could do it again, I probably would, and I recommend you do too. Awesome.